Hey YouTube, this is Country Cam Farms, but we have swap names over too. Let me just show you the truck here. Yard Care Biz. That is our name now. Of course, we know we do commercial mowings for commercial and residential, but this has been our workhorse. But now, you know, it look just like that and up here. Small tires on each. It's the Craftsman M220 self-propelled. But I kind of Frankenstein this one today. I had been given a kind of, I think it was a 5-year-old model of a Troy bilt. Took the butt end of it and used those big old wheels. Everything matched up, lined up just perfect. I took her for a little test drive, and she actually has more pull because I got more weight on the front end. So you can call it a Crafts build or a Troy, man. It don't matter. She'll do what she needs to do, I guarantee it. And 70, so I'm running around 120 hours on this unit right now. I know I told y'all I would try to do one around 100, but I'm at about 110, 120 hours on it. She's been in the haul. As you can see, these tires are wore down. Compared to what they should look like, I'm going to be putting some new rubber on them. New plastic, that is, the wheel casing. You see that? Big difference. The only thing I have done with it is change air filter every 2 weeks, new plug. About every month and a half, I think. And an oil change. This is a motor that tells you no prime, no choke, no oil change. I don't believe it. I got me a little siphoning kit, and I siphoned what I could out of it, and I poured new in it. I'm old school like that. And tomorrow, or the next day, I'll be doing a quick review on the new mower that's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. It's going to be a Skag FSC 30. They're 30-inch mower. But if y'all are in the Birmingham, Alabama area, Gadsden, Alabama, Fort Payne, Alabama area, need your yard cut, give us a call. Look us up online at yardcare.biz. Thank y'all, and y'all have a great day. Please like this video